OpenAI just revealed something they probably shouldn't have. The system that they are using to create personalized buying journey for over 13,000 leads when they only have the capability to do high-touch personalization for 1,000. The system is very interesting, and in this video, I'll break down the actual system and provide you a playbook that you can use to implement this within your own business. Let's get started. Everything started once I checked this video yesterday about OpenAI on how they have over 13,000 leads coming in every month, but they only have the capability to do personalized touches for 1,000 of them. And so within the video, they give a little bit of an explanation of what is the structure. So my whole idea right now is how you can apply the same concepts and add them to your business. You probably will not have to handle 13,000 leads, but the same concept apply over here, and it could be applied whether you have 10 leads, 100 leads, 1,000 leads. The main idea is how you can create a personalized buying journey for every single one of your leads without having to rely on if-then automation that automatically sends a message. You can build something that is able to create a personalized message for the request of your specific leads. So first off, the first important thing that you need to do is you need to collect your data. There's no way around that, unfortunately. So you need to collect your data about what is your website, what is your business, what are the most commonly asked questions, what are some marketing assets, what are some case studies that you have, and this is the prerequisite for everything. The second part is building your agents and building the different agents that are capable of doing that. Essentially, for this, what you will need to do in terms of system would be two agents. You will need one agent, which is an evaluation agent, which matches the budget and the request of your customer with a specific product that you might have, or a specific question that you might have, or a specific marketing material. And another agent that is responsible for drafting the final email. So this would turn into an NADN if you build something within an NADN in something like that, where what you have is you have a evaluation agent that using a knowledge base to retrieve this business knowledge that you have. So this will be the evaluation agent. And the second part is the email drafter agent, which create an email that you can create as a draft within Google Drive. This is the initial structure, but the beauty comes when you go in the third step, which is the iteration phase. So when you are able to actually create those emails at scale and make sure that those emails are valid for your own business and your own needs. So in this case, what we have here is we created a data set of what is an example of request, what is an example of budget, what is the assigned product that the AI give, as well as what is the draft email that the AI created. So all these different things are coming from the automation. On the other side, we will have fields that needs to be filled by the subject matter expert. So that could be, for example, a CRO or a sales rep directly. This is done so that you are able to match what is the email that is generated with the AI to the actual email that you want to send. In this way, what you can do is you can fine-tune the prompt and fine-tune the whole system. Essentially here, the only thing that you will need to fine-tune is the knowledge base and making sure that you have the right tool description for the knowledge base, as well as the prompt that you will give for the query evaluation and email drafter agent. So in this way, what you are able to do is always iterate and always improve in the different draft email and assigned product that you created. On top of that, other things that you can add could be different tracking metrics, such as did the lead respond to the email or did the lead close, so that you can further evaluate the email across fields that are actually impacting on the business. The end automation or the end result would look something like this, where it's pretty similar to this one, but what we did is we added this evaluation path. So this evaluation path is needed to do the continuous iteration on the prompt, so that we pass from having an initial email that we might think is not that valid to an actual email that is exactly the same that you want to send to the customer. This kind of process is what needs to be done when you need to build solutions that are production ready, they are capable of adding a lot of leads, and they are able to scale based on your specific needs. This was a very quick video. Hope you like that. If you're interested in building a solution similar to that, or if you're interested in having an understanding of where you could apply things like that within your organization, check the link below. You can find some contact details. And with that said, hope it's good.